What's up, everybody? It's your boy here today. Yeah, I'm just out here dribbling, talking to you guys. Yeah. Bryce, you guys might have seen him in almost all my videos. He hasn't been in all of my videos, but yeah, he's coming over tomorrow for a few hours. So we're probably gonna video tomorrow, and yeah. So yo, let's get it. Here's my dog right here. Blue. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's my blue little dog. So yeah. So I might have a video by tomorrow. Guys, just let you know, this is, I don't know, but yeah, 2017. But yeah, I can't wait until 2020. That's the year I graduate. So yeah, it's like uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, looking like a needle. But yeah, just dribbling. But yeah. I'm just doing some tricks. Just gonna talk to you guys. I'm feeling bored, so I just felt like coming out here. It's almost dark time. But yeah, I also have to edit this video. And guys, if we're running, sometimes we're gonna be running because we're gonna be playing tag. So you might feel like a whoa, like that. But yeah, if you guys hear a big loud noise, that's just my mom's Chevy Camaro in the background. I think her boyfriend's going somewhere for a little bit. But yeah. Bye! Where you going? Alright, where are you going? Okay, bye! Guys, hear that? Yeah, apparently he's just going for a drive. Love me like you do. But yeah, all I need you guys to do is love me like you do. No, joke. I just like, that song's catchy. I don't really like it, but yeah, just catchy. But yeah, alright. It's gonna end this video for today. But guess what? Peace.